How to clear infested buildings. The best loot is often found in the most dangerous places. Entering an infested building without a plan is a quick way to get cornered. This guide will walk you through a step-by-step method for safety clearing rooms and securing high-value structures. Never just run into a room. Use a technique called slicing the pie. Stand to the side of the door and slowly strafe across, revealing one small angle of the room at a time. This allows you to spot and kill zombies near the door without exposing yourself to the ones hiding in the corners. On PC, use your A and D keys to control your movement precisely while keeping your mouse aimed at head height. Zombies love to hide in closets or play dead in the floor. Before you start looting, give every corpse a quick poke with your melee weapon to make sure it's actually dead. Once the main floor is clear, check behind the doors and small containers. Clear it out and take it all. Like and subscribe for more tactical building clearing guides.